The Apple iPad 7th Gen features a 10.2-inch Retina display with smooth performance and a sleek portable design, perfect for entertainment, learning, browsing, and everyday productivity.
What's in the box?
In the box, you find the Apple iPad 7th generation, USB-C charge cable, power adapter,
And user manual.
product overview, front camera, top button, volume buttons, home button and Touch ID, rear camera, headphone jack, smart connector, lightning connector, SIM tray, how to use. To set up the Apple iPad 7th Gen, power it on by holding the power button and following the on-screen instructions. Select your language and region, connect to Wi-Fi, and wait for the iPad to activate. You can then set up Touch ID by placing your finger on the home button and creating a passcode for security. Choose whether to restore data from a backup, transfer from another device, or set it up as new. You can also sign in with an Apple ID or skip it for later. Continue by enabling services like Siri, location services, and screen time, then choose between light or dark mode. Once the setup is complete, tap Get Started to access the home screen and explore the pre-installed apps on your iPad.
Smart features?
The 10.2-inch Retina display delivers sharp details, vibrant colors, and clear visuals for an immersive viewing experience. It provides excellent clarity for watching videos, browsing the web, reading, and everyday entertainment. The A10 Fusion chip delivers smooth and responsive performance for everyday tasks like browsing, streaming, and using apps. It also supports efficient multitasking and stable gaming performance without slowing down. Supports Apple Pencil for easy note-taking, drawing, and precise input, making creativity more natural. Also works with Smart Keyboard for comfortable typing, improving productivity for work, study, and everyday tasks. Touch ID provides fast and secure unlocking of the iPad using your fingerprint for quick access. It also ensures safe authentication for apps, downloads, and purchases with added privacy protection. Delivers long-lasting battery life for up to 10 hours of continuous use on a single charge. Ideal for all-day browsing, streaming, studying, and entertainment without frequent recharging.
Specifications. Safety precautions.
Want to grab the Apple iPad 7th Gen from Amazon?
Just tap on the link in the description below.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Apple iPad 7th Gen. See you at the next one.